Before the video starts, make sure to like and subscribe. Also click the bell notification so you can see my uploads first. What's up guys, J Period here, ready to react to Subway Mania 2, I believe it's called. Bret Hart versus Stone Cold Steve Austin ladder match. How the hell are they gonna do a ladder match on the subway car? These guys are awesome. These guys should have way more subscribers than they do. You know, I feel like this guy will get there eventually, because these videos are hilarious. So without further ado, let's check this out.
Ladies and gentlemen, the subwaymania 2. The wait is finally over. Thank you for joining me in this historic night with our
I didn't have to wait that long. I watched the first one like last week or whatever it was. Oh shit. The best there is, the best there was, and the best there ever will be. I fucking love this shit. And this is New York, right? I mean, how come I haven't come across this shit yet, man? They probably do this like super late at nighttime, so that they don't get in trouble. Stone Cold. Oh, they put the belt on top of the rail. that's how it's gonna be a ladder match. Oh, it's probably gonna be like some like really small ladder for them to climb on and then reach for the belt. It's WrestleMania 13 all over again. Drake Bear, raise hell. Cause Stone Cold said so. What championship is that? I didn't even see. Is that the World Heavyweight Championship? Oh shit! Took off his fucking bald head. This shit's about to stop too. The train's about to stop. The train's about to stop. This is it. Oh no, it kept going. Okay. Oh no, it stopped. The door's about to open. People are about to be like, "What the fuck is going on?" Oh shit! Yeah, like I said, they got like a mini ladder. This poor woman right here, just like, why? This dude right here, he's like, what the fuck? Got a broken back. Good lord. That man has a family. This is ungodly. Oh yeah, it's the WWF Championship. Oh, beautiful design, man. I miss it so much. I know like they'll never go back to it, but if they went back to that or either the Undisputed Championship, shit, man, that'd be the shit. Oh my god. Bret Hart just took Stone Cold Steve Austin out with the ladder to the face. Oh shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! Holy shit! It's always the same ref too, but this is that guy. Oh, this is amazing. This match is better than most matches that WWE puts on today. That's kind of sad. Oh, shit. Oh. He has kids. He has kids. He has kids. Oh my god. The sharpshooter on the train. Oh. Don't tap. Oh no, it doesn't matter, yeah. It doesn't even matter. Yeah, the t-shirts too, man. This is fucking amazing. Ew. Oh, what the fuck is that on the ground? Did he spit or is that some water on the ground? That's disgusting. That's the only way I wouldn't do it. I'd be like, man, fucking Subway is dirty as shit. Like, I'm not crawling around here half naked doing all this shit. Oh shit, stunner, stunner. Oh my god. My god. Pin him. Oh no, no, yeah, pin him. Get the belt. Climb the ladder. Holy shit, he just took a bit. Oh shit. Was that from a random person or was that from someone they know? That's amazing. Oh shit, you can't see. There's glass in his eyes. Oh, it's thunder on the referee. Oh my god. Why? Why, Stone Cold? Why?
He can't see. He's Ray Charles.
He's Ray Charles. Oh my goodness. Climb the ladder, Bret. Climb the ladder. Make history. You can do it. You're right there. Oh no. Stone Cold will not quit. He will not concede. Stunner off the ladder. My God. How long have they been doing this shit? It's like fucking morning outside or some shit. Look how bright it is. Oh my goodness. Oh shit, Stone Cold's about to win. Stone Cold's about to get it. I love that fucking title. I love that title design, man. I kinda wanna buy it. Tell you which one I won't buy. I won't buy the fucking spinner belt. I'm good. It was cool for a couple years, but then it got whack. Oh, I noticed he just did a spear from the top. That's amazing. Who's gonna win this shit? Holy shit. He got the spinner belt. That fucking shit sucked. Come on, man. That shit's whack. I think it's time to end this match. Where the fuck they get that shit from? Yeah, that's what I just said. Where did they get that? I'm sure they brought it with them, but where the hell were they hiding that? Oh my god, this is about to be fucking nuts. It's about to be fucking nuts. He almost broke it himself, just climbing over it. Another stunner. Who's going through the table? Who's going through the table, bro? I want to see it. I want to shit. You suck. Give him the finger. Flip him off. Oh my goodness. Oh shit, I think Stone Cold's going through the table. I think Stone Cold's going through. Holy shit! My God, Bret Hart won. Bret Hart won. Yes. I wonder they probably did this commentary afterwards, right? Yeah. Did it afterwards. Subway Mania history. I forgot who won the first match. What was it, Stone Cold? First Subway Mania. Shit is fucking awesome, man. And I think they have more of these actually. So I'm definitely checking out more of them. Shit is funny.
Congratulations to Bret Hart, ladies and gentlemen. This is a momentous moment for him
I want to
right
get one of
now.
those
This is
shirts,
a
bro.
historic night, ladies and gentlemen.
I
My
want
name
to
is
get one of
Steven
those shirts.
Moreno, and I will see you very, very soon. Good night.
Oh god. So there you have it. Another Subway Mania. Shit was hilarious, wasn't it? I think they made more of these for sure. So I'm definitely checking out more of these from this guy. It's just awesome. This is hilarious stuff, bro. Um, subscribe to them. Check this shit out. It's so good. Leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you like my reaction. Until next time. Peace.